Hello guys, dito tayo sa KFC. So first time namin, pwede na para mag-order na ganitong So click natin dine in. Tapos click natin order now. And hanap tayo for one person. Isipin natin yung 15 reals. Amazing, di ba? Pwede ka na mag-order using this POS Plus. Deals. Okay, let's go to deals. This one. So 15 real. So if you want 3 pieces, just add 9. If you want popcorn, original, then let's have the Diet Pepsi. Ito na. After that view, 15 real. So mag-cheat tayo ngayon. Then click proceed to pay. Popcorn, dynamite sauce, then proceed to pay. So 966, just enter the number. After pressing number, confirm and proceed. Then click through card or cash payment. So we'll pay with card. Then we'll use the SCC Pay. Click. Payment successful. We'll wait for the number.